Hello everyone, this is Jen and today we will discuss about descriptive statistics. So under descriptive statistics, we have three major topics. The first one is the measures of central tendencies, followed by measures of variability, and the third is the other measures of location. So to analyze the data, we can use the measures of central tendency. Why do we need to use this tool? So this is used to describe a set of data by identifying the typical or central value or location. So for example, you are asked, when do you go to church? So you would say, typically, I would go to church on Sunday. Okay? So for example, you're asked to um, how much profit will you earn from your business? So you would say typically or in the average or most likely I could earn 15,000 a month. So that is an example of measure of identifying or describing the data using the measure central tendency. So there are three measures commonly used in identifying the central tendency. We have mean, median, and the mode. So the mean is used to identify the arithmetic average in a set of data. While the median is the middlemost or centermost value in a data set. Next is the mode, which is the most frequent or occurring value in a data set. Another way of analyzing the data is the use of variability. Other books call this as measures of dispersion, measures of deviation, or measures of variation. So when to use this? This is used to know about the spread or variability of the data set. So how one value differs to the other values. This is also used to test the reliability of an average. So that we can give a better image or picture of a data set, we need to use both the measures of central tendency and the measures of variability. So these are the four measures of variability. The first one is the range, next is standard deviation, third variance, and the fourth coefficient of variation. And lastly, if you want to describe the data based on in whatever location with respect to the distribution, we can use the fractals. This is actually fractals. So fractals are measures of location which include not only the central location but also any position based on equal divisions. So these are the three types of fractals. The first one is the quartiles. So what are quartiles? This is what we call when we divide a distribution or a data set into four equal parts. So for example, 100% divided by 4. So the first quartile is 25%. The second quartile is the 50%. The third quartile is the 75%. And the fourth quartile is 100%. Another one is the deciles. So the deciles divides the distribution into 10 equal parts. So for example, first decile is 10%. The second decile is 20%, and so on. The last one is the percentiles. So percentiles divides the distribution into 100 equal parts. Here we can have 1%, 2%, 3%. So today